So in this question, exercise 3.2 second question, they asked to find the value of the function y equal to what is the equation of y. So in this function, how to integrate? They given ey by ex equal to minus 7x by this. So elasticity function, you can write that instead of that we can write x by y dy by dx equal to, you can write minus 7x by 1 minus 2x into 2 plus 3x. Now take x term and dx within this side, then we have here 1 by y into dy. Now we have minus 7x by 1 minus 2x into 2 plus 3x into take x become 1 by x into dx. Now x eliminate. Then here what I am going to take minus out, then it become a 2x become a positive, then 1 become a minus 1, then 2 plus 3x. So we have minus on x eliminated, then minus cancel. Then we have 1 by y into dy. Now you want to find y. So you are going to integrate on both sides. So integral of 1 by y into dy. Here 7 is a constant term, take out of integral, then 1 by 2x minus 1 into 2 plus 3x into dx. So now using integral calculus, if we direct integral is not possible, so using partial fraction to separate the term. How to use the partial fraction? Take the term 1 by 2x minus 1 into 2 plus 3x. And take a by 2x minus 1, then b by 2 plus 3x. Now aim is to find a and b value. If you take the cross multiply and take the denominator able to eliminate, otherwise directly you can take the term in cross multiply. Then when you multiply 2x minus 1 cancel, then a multiply with 2 plus 3x. Then when multiply, then b multiply with 2x minus 1. So to find the a value, try to make a b term 0. So instead of x, substitute 1 by 2. So I am going to substitute, put x equal to 1 by 2. Then 1 equal to a, 2 plus 3 into 1 by 2 plus b into 2 into 1 by 2 minus 1. So 2 to eliminate 1 will come. So 1 minus 1 0, entire b value become 0. Now a into, we have 2 plus 3 by 2. So 2 plus 3 by 2, 6, 7 by 2 will come. A into it become a 7 by 2. Cross multiply become a 2 by 7 equal to a. So a value is 2 by 7. Like that you find b value. Then instead of x, substitute 0 also. Find put x equal to 0. That 1 equal to 2a plus entire value 0. Then become minus b will come. Here 0 into 3 0. 0 plus 2 2a. 0 minus 1 minus 1 into b minus b. Now 1 need to know the a value is 2 by 7. Then minus b. Take b here, then we have 4 by 7 minus 1. Then b equal to 4 minus 7 by 7. Then b equal to 3 by 7. So after finding a and b value, to use to separate the term in two parts. So now we have 4 minus 3, we have minus 3 by 7. Okay, b equal to minus 3 by 7. After find the a and b value, substitute here. So now we have the same term, separate and write it in two parts, sum of the two terms. Now we can write 7 into integral of instead of a 2 by 7. So 2 by 7 into it became a 2x minus 1. Then here minus of 3 by 7 into 2 plus 3x into dx. So now we are going to integrate both sides. 1 by y into dy. So now take the constant term. Both has 2 by 7, 2 by 7. Take 1 by 7 outside. Then we have integral 1 by y into dy equal to 7 into 1 by 7. then here 2 by x minus 1 will come, 2 by 2x minus 1, then we have minus of 3 by 2 plus 3x into dx. So here able to 7 cancel, then we can write the integral of 2 by 2x minus 1 into dx. Here take minus outside, then be 3 by 2 plus 3x into dx. Now here we have 1 by y into dy. Now integrate on both sides. So integral of 1 by become a log y. When you come to here, what is the rule? Take the denominator value for dy. The denominator is y. So y with respect to y going to differentiate, the value become 1 will come. That is the numerator value. Then you can write as a log of y. Same condition, take denominator value 2x minus 1. Here x is that dx. So difference with respect to x. So here 2 into 1 minus 0 equal to 2. That is the numerator value. So entire term become a log of the denominator value you have to write. You write the minus. Now take this term denominator value is 2 plus 3x. Now differentiating 0 plus dividing of x become 1. Then we have 3. That is the numerator value. So integral of entire term log into the denominator value. And last put c, instead of c put log k. So every term is a log, so we use here term as a log k. Now we can take here log y equal to, when take log common here minus is there, so we can write 2x minus 1 by 2 plus 3x plus log k. Again one more time if we take log common, it become a 2x minus 1 by 2 plus 3x into k. Now we can remove log both sides, then we have y equal to 2x minus 1 by 2 plus 3x into k. Now you have to find the k value. In the question they asked to find the function at x equal to 2, y equal to 3 by 8. So they asked to find the function value at x equal to 2, y equal to 3 by 8. Now substitute the value in this equation. If you take this equation 1, so from 1 instead of y substitute 3 by 8, instead of x substitute 2, 1 by 2 into 3 into 2, here k will come, and multiply 4, 4 minus 1, 3 will come, so 3 by 8 equal to 3 by 8. 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 8. Then you want to find k. If we eliminate both sides 3 by 8, 3 by 8, then we have 1 equal to k. Now substitute k value 1 here, then from equation 1, y equal to 2x minus 1 by 2 plus 3x. Substitute 1, get the same answer will come. Then y equal to 2x minus 1 by 2 plus 3x. This is the required function they asked to find.